Hardin County. Well, Christmas is just 2 days away and the clock is ticking for all of you last-minute shoppers. Several retailers are doing their part to help you keep their doors open until Christmas Eve. Wave 3 News reporter Cedra Mayfield joins us live this morning outside of Kohl's in St. Matthews. And Cedra, I was shopping yesterday. It was a mess. I can only imagine what we're going to see today.
It might be a little bit more crazy this morning. Good morning, Lauren. As you can see behind me here at this Kohl's in St. Matthews, the lights are on, the doors are open. This store and many others like it are officially open for business, and they'll stay like this nonstop until Christmas Eve. It's all part of a push to help last-minute shoppers. Turns out, according to the National Retail Federation, only about half of Americans have finished their holiday shopping so far. Now, stores like Kohl's, Macy's, and Toys R Us are staying open around the clock, literally keeping their doors open 24 hours a day. Now through Christmas Eve, and if I can remind you, that's actually tomorrow. While some last-minute shoppers we caught up with say procrastination can come at a price, others say it's easy to snag deals, but you might get carried away.
We came here to buy 2 or 3 items possibly. We bought 4 pairs of shoes maybe, and a bunch of stuff. Sweatshirts, t-shirts, shorts, sweatpants.
So whether you're in the market for toys or housewares or clothing, if you head out to these stores, you'll likely find what you're looking for. For a complete list of those stores, just head on over to wave3.com. You'll find what you need there. We're live this morning in St. Matthews. Cedra Mayfield, Wave 3 News.
Thank you, Cedra. 5:07 this morning.